Hi Aries, kamusta kayo? Sana kayo ay nasa maayos or mabuting kalagayan. In today's reading, tingnan natin ang inyong mga energies and messages, mga ganap at gabay for the month of May 2025. Ano yung mga blessings na paparating sa inyo? Thank you Aries for supporting my channel by not skipping ads. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Aries please, Aries. Oops. We have the Eight of Swords. You have the Knight of Wands. You have the Devil. You have the Death. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, meron kayong confusion, no? Parang kulang kayong confidence sa isang sitwasyon, maybe sa work to. Merong uncertainty in the situation, merong fears and anxiety. Okay? Siguro very competitive ang inyong environment, ang workplace, something like that. Maybe your boss or yung mga tao sa trabaho mo, mataas ang kanilang expectation from you. Okay? For some of you, yeah, merong obsession dito about career advancement. Gusto mo ng lucky break, kumbaga. Alright? You're thinking about this, no? Kailangan mo maging inspired. You need to take action. Hard work is needed. You need to be passionate about your work, no? Energy, no? Kailangan ng energy dito. Alright? For some of you, you are at the peak of your career progression, no? You are in a competitive environment. Okay? Merong ending dito or merong new beginning for you. Merong opportunity or pagkakataon, no? For a new beginning, okay? Maybe merong mga magagandang pagbabago dito sa inyo. Okay, for some of you, you need to end, no? Kung ano man itong mga addiction or obsession na meron kayo, addictive behavior, obsession sa mga material things. Okay, so kailangan ng ending dito. Kailangan ng fresh start para sa inyo. For some of you, you are starting a new phase in your life. Okay? We have the Page of Pentacles. You are manifesting about an opportunity, a financial opportunity. Okay? You are being ambitious, no? You desire something na makapagbigay sa inyo ng kasaganahan, okay? Financially. Alright? Yeah, merong someone dito na parang, merong resurgence dito, no? Of love, okay? With someone, resurgence of pagmamahal sa isang relasyon, okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are taking action about pursuing someone, okay? You will be expressing your feelings or someone will do this to you, no? Mag-express sila ng kanilang interest, no? Sa inyo, okay? There is love. There is a new feelings here, new hope, no? You will be inspired or someone here is inspired because of you, okay? Merong a positive change here, no? Unexpected or a surprise change in your situation, okay? Parang magbibigay ito ng opportunity para umunlad ang inyong sitwasyon, okay? Most especially sa trabaho or financial, okay? Merong pag-uusap, collaboration dito, discussion, planning, okay? For some of you, merong someone dito na parang tutulong sa inyo how to do things, okay? Parang magme-mentor kumbaga na makakatulong sa inyo, no? Sa inyong trabaho, no? To enhance your skills also, your talent, something like that, alright? Yeah. For some of you, you will be receiving a reward, no? Dahil sa inyong dedication sa trabaho. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, merong pag-uusap dito about family stability, no? Financial stability ng buong pamilya. Merong pag-uusap about or planning about purchasing a house, construction of a house, construction of building, something like that. Okay? Merong pag-uusap dyan. We have, yeah, the Wheel of Fortune, okay? You are wishing, hoping, or looking forward for a lucky break, no? A turning point in your life kung saan merong magandang pagbabago. Okay? May paparating na abundance or prosperity dito. Just be patient, okay? For some of you, merong progress sa inyong ginagawa, no? Parang merong development na, okay? Merong paggulong, no? Or pag-move, no? To your favor, no? Yeah. Merong expansion. Also, yeah, for some of you, you're just waiting. Maybe you are waiting for a news. You are waiting for an offer letter or job offer from other countries or from another place, something like that. Okay, for some of you, you will be taking risk. No, there will be a new beginning for you when it comes to your career. You will be taking chances. Yeah, Two of Wands. There is planning or traveling. No, you're thinking about a travel or merong travel plans dito. Okay, this is something na parang ito yung magbibigay ng success para sa inyo. Magbibigay sa inyo to ng satisfaction and happiness. Okay, yeah, for some of you, yeah, you will be going abroad. May travel dito. Okay. Also, maybe you will be receiving an incentive, a reward, a travel, no? Okay, because of your hard work, no? Yeah, babalik ang vitality ninyo, yung pag-asa sa sarili, yung sigla sa sarili, babalik yan, okay? There is a reward, or you will be receiving a reward or an award because of your dedication sa trabaho. This is part of your success, kumbaga, okay? Yeah. All is well for you, Aries. Also, merong enjoyment dito, no? Yeah, for some of you, this is a gift to yourself, no? Makapag-travel, makapag-bakasyon, okay? And to have fun. Okay, yeah. You are manifesting something. You are manifesting an opportunity, no? A financial opportunity, a new career. Yeah, for some of you, this is parang inspired kayo or may naisip kayo na business venture na gusto ninyong umpisahan. Okay? Yeah, there will be stability, no? Sa inyong trabaho or sa opportunity na to. No? Yeah, for some of you, this is an offer, an opportunity na magbibigay sa inyo ng stability, ng achievement or fulfillment. Okay? You will be meeting with your friends. There will be gathering. You will be connecting with your loved ones, with your friends, no? To celebrate something. Maybe this is a promotion, no? A success about business, okay? Yeah, we have the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Parang meron kayong inaay, no? Parang meron kayong gustong bilhin or gustong umpisahan. Okay, and it's a little bit, or yeah, something pricey or costly. Yeah, investing, maybe you're thinking about investment or investing, no? Your money, no? Parang gusto mong palaguin to. Kung ano yung pera na meron ka ngayon, parang gusto mong palaguin yun. Okay, nag-iisip kayo ng ganun. So, kailangan dito, you have to be practical dito. Okay? Maybe you are a working parent, no? Na parang ikaw yung breadwinner din sa family. Okay? Yeah. You want security when it comes to your finances. Also, yeah, for some of you, kailangan mo ng confidence, be courageous, no? Most especially kung meron kayong naisip na siguro gawing negosyo, something like that. Or side hustle na gusto ninyong simulan. So, be confident, no? Yeah. Just move forward to it. No? Parang ikaw yung someone na determinado ka maging successful. Okay? Yeah. Also, kailangan din ng focus. Focus sa goal. Yeah. Okay, we have the King of Wands, the Five of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Eight of Cups. Yeah, again, focus. Focus on your objective. Anong gusto mong mangyari? Focus ka sa direction mo. Sa opportunity, no? Kung merong opportunity na offer sa'yo, kailangan mo dito ng focus and action. For some of you, you will be seeking advice, a creative advice from someone, or someone will give this to you. Okay? Yeah, also, yes, this is a business venture also. Yeah, may mga challenges, no, na paparating, but you will be able to overcome this, no? Kailangan mo lang ng focus, okay, and action. Yeah, for some of you, sometimes you are thinking na hindi siya posible. Maybe, kailangan mo pa ng resources, okay? Parang nawawalan ka ng pag-asa, but, you know, soldier on. Okay, may mga paraan. Okay, for some of you, parang low yung self-esteem mo, no? Alright? But you need to move forward. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are heartbroken or disappointed about someone, or heartbroken ka over a relationship. Yeah. This is singlehood, no? You are being independent, you are solo, but you are successful financially, successful ka sa work mo, no? Okay. Financially independent ka, you are stable. Kung meron kang worries about money, ma-overcome mo yun. Your problems will fade away when it comes to money, okay? Yeah, so it's time also to treat yourself, okay? Also, yes, for some of you, you are gaining respect, no? You have a good leadership skills. For some of you, you are stable. For some of you, you need discipline and control, no? Sa buhay mo, alright? Focus, planning, okay? Also, for some of you, you are disappointed about a boss. Disappointed ka, or disappointed ka about someone. Maybe this is a boss or a partner that who is always in control, no? Demanding, okay, or demanding respect from you, okay? Yeah. So, you are leaving that behind. You are moving on because you don't want to dwell on that. So, that's why you are walking away. For some of you, you are achieving on parang gusto mo ng stable, no? Na trabaho, yung mataas yung rango or mataas yung posisyon. Okay, you are chasing your dreams. Okay. Tingnan natin. For some of you, may mga bago kang project na iti-take. Okay? Na may mga bagong project na i-offer sa'yo. Siguro but kailangan mo maging confident sa sarili mo, no? You need to believe in yourself, sa skills mo, sa talent mo, or sa kakayahan. Okay? You need to have that drive and determination to succeed. Okay? For some of you, you are escaping from someone that is parang mahirap i-deal with, no? Mahirap pakitunguhan. So you are escaping. You are walking away from that person. Okay? Parang may ego problem dito and pride. Tingnan natin. Ten of Swords. Yeah. For some of you, there is a separation here, a completion or an ending, no? Yeah. Maybe this is an ending of a relationship or an ending of difficulty or struggle, something like that. Okay? There is a start of a new cycle here for you. Also, merong travel. Okay? your hard work is paying off. Parang nare-recognize, no? Yung hard work ninyo, yung efforts for some of you. You are finishing a project, a job with pride, no? This is an accomplishment or a milestone for you. Okay? Ano man tong natapos mo. Okay, merong Four of Swords. Okay, you need to relax, no? Rest your mind, rest your body, no? Kailangan mo ng peace of mind dito. Siguro, nagko-contemplate kayo about something yung natapos na. Okay, so you need to move on here. Yeah, you need to plan for your future. For some of you, you are recuperating, you are recovering from something, you are recovering from a loss. You are recovering from a separation. You are recovering from an ending, no? So, pwedeng sa relationship yan, or life in general. Okay? Okay. For some of you, yung parang habang natutulog kayo, or siguro at night, or nagpapahinga kayo, naiisip mo yung mga sweet memories, yung mga happy moments with someone, okay? You are reminiscing, okay? Yeah, maybe for some of you, an ex or an old friend will contact you or communicate with you. Tingnan natin. The Seven of Cups. Yeah, for some of you, you are daydreaming, no? Daydreaming. Merong wishful thinking, no? Na sana ganito, ganyan, or naalala mo yung dati. What if, yung ganun, okay? For some of you, may mga opportunities na, may mga opportunities around you, kailangan mong pumili, or kailangan mong make a choice, or mag-make ng decision, okay? One more. We have the Ten of Wands. Again, there is an ending, no? An ending of responsibility, an ending of a suffering, okay? Maybe you are stressed sa work, or you are stressed sa isang relationship. Merong pagtatapos doon. So, just, you know, yeah, merong paparating sa'yo na something, new opportunity or an exciting opportunity for you. So, merong healing dito, emotional healing. So, believe in yourself. Okay, yeah, for some of you, there is a renewal of hope, no? Yeah, for some of you, you need to recharge, you need to rejuvenate yourself. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you're thinking about marriage, or you're thinking about getting married, something like that. Siguro merong issues. Okay, maybe merong issues in the past, no? And now you're thinking about your future. Yeah. Also, someone here, no? Parang merong someone dito na may gusto kayo. Okay, or someone, no? Mag-express na kanilang feelings or interest towards you. They like you. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, someone here needs your, parang kailangan nila ng advice from you. Okay? Kailangan ng tulong, no? Be compassionate. Okay? Also, merong pagkalma dito ng isang sitwasyon. Merong balance of emotion here. Merong healing. Okay? Parang meron ng stability after some time of struggles. After some time of difficulties. Okay? Yeah. Merong Two of Swords. Okay? You are weighing your options, no? And parang kailangan mo mag-make ng siguro a decision about something. Okay? For some of you, you are taking time. Okay? Siguro kailangan mo ng peace of mind. Take that blindfold off so you can see clearly and you can make a decision. No? For some of you, you need to be compassionate, or you need to heal yourself, nurture yourself, develop yourself, no? Focus ka sa sarili mo. Self-care dito, okay? Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you will be receiving a gift or attention or time from someone, or maybe this is you. You will be receiving money, okay, a salary increase here, okay. You will be excited, or you will be inspired sa work, or inspired ka sa life in general, no? So let go of your worries, let go of anxieties. For some of you, you need to focus, no, sa trabaho, okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo parang nag-worry, no, over something. Yung nag-worry kayo over an opportunity, or nag-worry kayo about someone, okay, that maybe they're not interested to you anymore. So parang parang nag-worry ka doon. Yung iba sa inyo is nag-worry, merong lack of sleep, or laging sumasagi sa isip mo, or lagi kang nag-iisip about someone. Dahil siguro, or baka nagpupuyat kayo, no, communicating with this person, okay? Just take what resonates for you here. Yeah, merong insomnia, anxiety, okay? Tingnan natin. For some of you, you are worried about a father figure, no? Parang worried kayo sa father figure dito, no, about sa well-being niya, okay? You cannot stop thinking about them. You need to take care of yourself. Also, Aries, dito, no? Focus on your health. We have chair empty. Someone is living your life. Okay. Sino kaya to? Okay. Basta merong someone na parang merong separation dito. Okay. Someone you care. Someone you love. No? Merong vine. Seek out information that will help you. Yeah, for some of you, siguro kailangan mo ng motivation dito. Siguro kailangan mo ng isang news or information na makapagbigay sigla sa inyo uli, o na makapagbigay ng peace of mind sa inyo, or tulong. Something like that. Okay? Broken bridge, unsuccessful outcome to a problem. Okay, yeah, for some of you, merong disappointment dito, no? So, that's why merong walking away dito of a situation because of parang hindi worth it, no? Merong disappointment or frustration. One more, we have the quill. Get back to the basic. So, get back to the basic, no? Unang-una, ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? Okay? Siguro kailangan mong ibalik uli yung objective mo. Kailangan mong balikan yung objective mo. And mag-focus ka doon. Okay? Money path. A path with money is waiting for you to find it. Yeah. Okay. So, for some of you, merong nag-aantay sa iyo na opportunity. Siguro kailangan mo lang, merong door na mag-open para sa iyo, no? So, kailangan mo lang din siguro maging open din or bukas sa mga opportunity na yan. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, kung may kailangan kayo or may problem about money, no? Merong tulong na ibibigay sa iyo, okay? You just have to seek for help. Okay? One more for Aries. Yeah, for some of you, merong disappointment or someone dito, maybe from an officer, a leader, something like that. Parang, yeah, you are disappointed with that person. Okay, be clear about where you are putting your focus right now. Okay, focus on your desired outcome. You have everything within to create the life of your dreams. Stop doubting yourself for once. This is your time. We've got you. Okay? So, stop doubting, no? Stop doubting yourself. Stop doubting yung kakayahan mo at yung mga opportunities na nasa paligid mo. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, be clear kung ano talaga, focus ka kung ano yung mas kailangan, kung anong kailangan i-prioritize. Okay? That's for some, kailangan ng focus. Be clear what you want. Okay? So, these are the messages for you, Aries. All the best. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye!